Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Right now I'll be making chicken stew. I started with my carrots and I rinsed them prior. I usually chop them up and I put them in a strainer so the water from the carrots can drain into the bowl. Now I'm going to start with my potatoes. I usually cut them in 4 so you can have more potatoes. As you can see, I chopped them in 4. I put the potatoes in the strainer as well. So when I'm done chopping them, I'll do another rinse of the carrots and potatoes. Now I'm chopping up my onions. I love garlic. So usually I'll just peel off the garlic, but I have like a little trick. When you cut the garlic, the shell of the garlic automatic peels off. So I don't really have to take my time peeling the skin of the garlic. I just chop it, as you can see in this right here. And see, it just popped out. Super simple. I absolutely love garlic. And it gives a good spice, well, good flavor to the stew. So now I have my chicken breast. I did season it prior. I put garlic salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil. I let it slow cook as I put the carrots and the onions. Just let it sit in the flavor and let it cook. I dip in that chicken broth. It gives it the chicken flavor while it slowly cooks. I did transfer it into a pot after I put it on the skillet and I slowly let it cook. And here's the results. I could let it cook. I let it boil for like 20 minutes. And there go my chicken stew. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like.